show you the easy fact how to get so much money on this new update. I'll show you now. So to let you show, no, this is gonna be simple update. This is got an update. We got tutorial, something new like a bar noise. So see this? I bought myself a shredder. People warn me about the shredder. Oh, the shredder's gonna use this. Shut up. Let me explain why I'd use this. Because there's an update. You see that? That's changing, right? It says, ooh, go in there? Okay, let's go. I just show you this. It's a timer. A bomb timer. You gotta use the shredder. Oh, maybe. And then you just head back. I will show you how to get out. You don't go for like the easy way to go to Haunted Mansion and get out of there. Out alive. Just go this, do this, that's it. Sometimes you go in a different location where you don't know where you're at, so you have to try your best to be careful. Find a landmine and something like that, shit like that.
Huh?
Yeah, the office has changed too, so yeah, I'll let you know it's this way. You see that window of it, and then you go this way. And then when it shows you where, then you're a fool. I gotta go this way, so I would just go around here. Perfect. If you have a perfect gun, you're lucky. If you want to get it, you just go ahead and go to sewers. Get to these monsters. The weapon you need to use the weapon is a walk monster. Could be anglerfish in there. And real life, green light. When you attempt to get those, or you have it unlocked, that's good for you. Or you've been stealing people because you like to steal people's stuff. Be ashamed of yourself. You go here, this dirt pipe. Get up here, what 2 rockets you have. If you don't have rockets, you're just gonna hand it just do that like umbrella type people do, like pop it out. This is how you do it right now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a follow on TikTok. I'm gonna show you later.